it's Amanda here from Lolli Lulu Crafts, and today we have the first of a new series that I'm doing. Although I say new, it's kind of a redo of or a restart of a series that I had done a few years back, where I am ordering the monthly Simon Says stamp kit. Now obviously I'm in the UK, so it takes a little bit longer to get here, but what the plan is to show you what's in the kit and then we will do a project with it. Okay, so this is the first one that has arrived. Now first thing I noticed is that it's come differently. It used to come just sort of in the box, maybe a bit of tissue around it, so it was very nice, but I have to say I rather like this brown paper bag thing going on. Okay, so first item is embossing powder. It is ultra fine mermaid. It looks really pretty actually, very sparkly, really pretty colour, so that'll be interesting to see how that comes out. So then to the actual packet. So let's have a little look what's in here. Actually, let's do it one at a time. Oh look, we've got, this is new I think. We have got, I don't know, maybe it isn't new. We've got a sort of ideas sheet. I don't remember having that before, but it's possible that it was there before, but I have to say I don't remember it. So that's quite nice though. Little ideas sheet is kind of cute. And then we've got some gorgeous paper. Look at that, isn't that stunning? Oh, it tells you as well on here exactly what's in the kit, which is kind of cool. Then we've got a piece of white card as well, so that's kind of cute. Then we've got Simon Says stamp, clear embossing and watermark ink pad, so that's handy, always handy to have those. So then we've got a couple of distress inks. Now funnily, these are distress oxides. As it happens, I have just got these. I don't think it's a big problem because you know inks run out, so I will keep these sealed and they'll be fine. And I'm loving the distress oxides. So we've got Stormy Sky and Tumble Glass. These are two of the latest colours. They've literally just been released, so really nice to have those two and really perfect for what I'm assuming, looking at the paper and the examples, is a sea theme. Oh, it's called Simon Says Stamp Sea Treasure Kit, I guess, so that's obviously perfect for that. And then, ooh, look. Mum, I said to Mum about these kits and I said, oh, I'm reordering these, and she said, is this the one that always sends you the sweets? And I said yes, but I didn't know if I thought, oh, they've not done that anymore, so here's your lollipop. Okay, so then we've got some, this is so good. I'm interested to see this as well, but these are gorgeous. Some gold sequins. I have so many sequins and I have absolutely no gold. Ooh, lollipops just leaped onto my little envelope there, so let's just wipe that off. Okay, I managed to rescue it, I think, because this is like a pearlescent paper, so it's got like a sheen to it. So I just used a little baby wipe, and I think once that's dry, it actually looks worse on camera than it did in real life because you can really see the damp bit, but I think when it dries it will be fine. So, but if it isn't, it's not the end of the world. It's an envelope, you know, but it's a beautiful colour envelope, and I'm assuming this is the Simon Says stamp envelopes that I've been seeing that are on there. If that is the case, I am very interested in those because I think they're gorgeous. Here's another one in pearlescent. I don't know if you can actually, the other one, the purple was pearlescent as well, but. And then we've got this beautiful, again, it looks really turquoisey. It's so beautiful, sparkly paper. And then the final item in our kit is probably the main sort of theme ideas sort of bit, is this beautiful, huge stamp set. Actually, I wasn't sure when I see things like mermaids and stuff, it's not my bag normally, but actually I really like these. They are very cute, so I think this will be quite fun to, and there's loads of great sentiments. I actually think the artwork on this is really, really nice. I think her face is really nice as well. Look at that. It's kind of cute, but not sort of sickly cute, which I think quite often they can be. So, well, to me anyway, and I think that looks really good. So that is the contents of the kit in its entirety. I think it's a really nice kit. What I always like about these kits is there's always something that I call like a permanent item. So like your stamps or a die or something that you're going to keep and it's not going to run out, and then you get your kind of more disposable kind of consumables, I suppose, more not disposable, that means you're going to chuck them away, consumable items like your papers and your sequins and this sort of thing. And then what I think of as your intermediate items, sort of that aren't quite sort of permanent, but they're not quite as consumable as paper, so they'll last that bit longer. So your inks and things like your embossing powders, and I like that range, and I like the way that the kits are kind of put together. And the reason I've gone back to it doing this is because basically I looked back and it was really popular with you guys. So let me know if you, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to do this as one video with the project in it, because there may be people who know what's in the kit and they just want to see the project. So I'm going to end this one now, but on the same day I'm going to do the project video. So you're going to just have it as 2 videos, but you know, normally I do 1 video a week. So on the times that we're doing these monthly kits, I will do a quick review of the actual kit as 1 video and then a separate video with the project. And of course, don't forget to check out the blog post on my website. With that, you will find both videos on the one blog post, so you haven't got to hunt about. The thing is as well, you can subscribe to my websites, and if you do, it's very simple to do that. You just put your email in, click subscribe, and then you'll get an email every time I do a post. So every time there's a video post, it will come to you and straight into your email box, so you'll get notified and you literally don't even have to hunt for it. You just click on it there and then. So it's nice and simple, but that's a separate thing. So let's just say thank you for watching this part of the video, and I will see you, I hope, for the second video with the project. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you in a bit. Bye for now. Bye.